So here we are at the customer's house. They've got the roof tile up top ready to be spread out. They chose a white roof to go on the home. You can see they've got the nice dark windows, and they have this very custom entryway that was planned out, and it's going to, I think, look absolutely fantastic and make their home very individual and unique. So heading into the home, they've also taken and worked from this motif and this nice archway here and continued some of that into the front entryway. And I think having these will be very, very nice. Making some good progress. All the insulation is in. As you can see, this is going to be a very custom ceiling in here. It's going to have like a shiplap type installed up there. But it's all coming together. Out back here, pool's coming along. The drain field's been installed. Nice progress. So here we are at our house. Dumpster's back again. We had sand for stucco. We have sand to cover up the drain field. We're coming along. We don't have the roof tiles yet. They're supposed to come in on the 7th and get delivered out here next week. So we're almost there. Getting much closer. We have front doors being installed. All the drywall's been going in. So looks like they might actually be ready to start mudding. That would be good. Over there they put the box around. Here's where we have an extra sink, water heater, laundry. We can actually see rooms now, which is nice. Closet. Back end of the house. The study. Here they're getting ready to build out the entryway and finishing up stucco. Back there's the master. And here we have kitchen and living area. Our doors got installed. And finished up even out here. Outdoor kitchen. Coming together.